Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I try not to rap like this. I told her take chill on this and dead, but why niggas count? Fuck some niggas that's dead and finna die, they ain't coming back, bitch. Murder man get niggas hit. I'll put a bag on your head and after you dead, shoot up your candle.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV. How you feel? We back at it again with another POV for y'all boys and the big Hellcat, no doubt. Y'all boys can see we got the Hellcat all washed up. Well, sort of washed up, you feel me? We got the hood off in that bit. Y'all can see that supercharged, you feel me? We got the JLT intake. So y'all know y'all finna hear some crazy whining in that video. A little bit, at least. But anyway, I'm finna give y'all boys a little walk around of the whip, you feel me? To all the new people out there. Y'all boys a little walk around of the car. If y'all haven't watched my short that I made, y'all would know that my spoiler flew off on the freeway. My red eye spoiler with the wicker bill, that bit flew off. So we got old reliable Hellcat spoiler. We just missing our backup camera because that bit flew off with the red eye spoiler. Yeah, you feel me? That bit so fast, you feel me? The parts can't stay on this bitch, no doubt. But anywho, we finna be doing the first person POV as well as having the 360 camera on the back to get y'all boy the third person POV, so y'all can get both angles, you feel me, for them motherfucking video, no doubt. So you feel me, this is finna be another banger. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so y'all know whenever I drop more bangers. And let's try to get this video up to, let's see, 100 likes, 100 to 200 likes, you feel me? Right up in there, I know y'all boys can do it, you feel me? It's 2026. It's finna be another year that we ain't gonna forget, no doubt. As you can see, we got the car crunk up and stuff, you feel me? You know what we gotta do. We gotta go ahead and go into these settings. We gotta cut the copyright off so we don't get flagged, no cap. Then we're gonna put that bit in sport mode, cut traction control off. You gotta hold that button down until that message pop up on that bit. Wham! You feel me? Just like that. You feel me? We got the 360 camera on the back, you feel me? Just so I can show y'all niggas that we ain't playing. We finna get y'all niggas some motherfucking reels. You feel me? I hear that bit, and y'all see that bit too, you feel me? So now we finna go ahead and put that bit in reverse and go ahead and get into the drive. See? I told y'all niggas my backup camera, the camera gone. I did go back on the freeway and pick the damn spoiler up. I just gotta put the camera back in here so you feel me, the nigga can be able to see it. Cause right now, nigga, I be sticking my head out the window like a goddamn giraffe trying to see what's behind me. But let's see. Well, I thought that was my car making that noise. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Oh shit, I gotta sneeze. Shit! Feel like I'm getting sick, goddamn. I don't know what's going on. Shit, on my way here. Well, actually, I was coming here to try to get my papers from my court case, from my 16 tickets that I had to get dismissed. But they were closed because it's Dr. Martin Luther King Day, you feel me? Yeah. But, you feel me? My eyesight was messing up. It was like, damn, they be like. It was like I had a kaleidoscope vision, like I was seeing rainbow colors and shapes in my eyes. I don't know what that means. I think that means goddamn low blood pressure or something. I don't know. I just know that joint was kind of messing with me while I was driving. It's back good now. After I looked at the county jail, that shit went away. I guess I got traumatized from being in jail, and it was like, yeah, we gonna focus on, my brain was like, we gonna focus on something else. We gotta focus on not going back to jail. Fuck this kaleidoscope vision shit. So, you feel me? That's what we doing, whipping that bitch. Do I remember how to get home from right here? Damn, that sun bright as shit. Yeah, we gotta let that bit down a little bit. Hopefully y'all niggas still can see. I hate driving when the sun is like right there. I know that gonna be irritating. But anywho, we gonna, oh, damn! Alabama with these weak ass potholes. Like, I can't even see the damn light green. Oh well. I'm finna run this bit in a minute. Cause I can't see. Yeah, you know what? Fuck that nigga. I forgot I was in a Hellcat. We don't stop for stuff like this. Allegedly, that was AI. That wasn't real. That baby singing. I know y'all hear Lil Mama. Lil Mama be singing. Look over there underpass. Downshift. We gotta get over though. I gotta go ahead and get this drive shaft fixed though, y'all. I'm waiting on the part to come in because I can't keep driving like this. They be having me paranoid. Don't do what I do, y'all. Do better than what I do. Cause I know for sure that you damn sure ain't supposed to be driving on no broke drive shaft. On God. Even though we on a broke dry shaft, I'll dust all y'all niggas. I'm just playing. I know it's gonna be one nigga in the comments talking about, I got a Whirlpool 5.0, but I'll obliterate your ass. I know, nigga, you supposed to obliterate me, nigga. You got a 1,200 horsepower bill. If you don't beat my ass, then it's a big problem, no doubt. I'm also trying to watch out for police. Now I know this nigga ain't just getting in front of me like that. I know nigga hit that car. So he can't make that motherfucking excuse or that mistake. You hit a motherfucking car behind you, twin. You just wanted to get behind me, get in front of me, to get in a video. Nigga, I'm gonna blur your tag. Nah, I ain't gonna blur your tag out, nigga. That bitch gonna stay on here. Y'all boy, let me know how y'all feel like the content being, you feel me? Or what all type of stuff y'all wanna see. My videos starting to actually do a little good on other platforms, so you feel me? I'm just trying to get monetized on like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. Nigga make money from all platforms. That joint gonna be amazing, no cap. That's what I'm trying to get to. There was in this slow ass car. Oh, lizard face ass nigga. Nigga look like a goddamn gecko. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna title this video. Cause if y'all know, y'all titles matter a lot. Sometimes if I don't title my video right, the shit don't do nothing. It be crazy. Damn, that wine loud. That's why I love driving my hood off. That shit feel like it add 30 horsepower. Just from the supercharger wine. Oh shit. I thought that nigga brake checked my ass. I was to say, hold on now, we got a big problem. What way am I gonna go? Around them niggas, cause they driving slow as hell. I think it pop a little, like with me being catless, it do pop a little louder. I don't know if it pop more. I think it do a little bit. It just depending. I do know that I can shoot little flames and stuff now. It make me feel like my shit tuned. Oh God. But it's just like some little flames. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to see none now because it's too bright outside. I'm gonna do a nighttime one though, where y'all can see the goddamn, where y'all can see the flames and stuff. So just stay tuned. I also finna get a flame kit too. Let me get the fuck over, cause the road is so messed up on that side, bro. Y'all need to tell the mayor to go fix these roads or something. This shit be breaking niggas' control arms and shit. I think I'm finna go pad this nigga right here. I'm gonna tell you one thing, you damn sure can smell that gas from or whatever that is, them fumes from in Kansas, you damn sure can smell it. It don't bother me for real, for real. It just smell like a muscle car to me. It supposed to smell like this. When you get out the car, you supposed to smell like horsepower, nigga. That's the whole point. When I get out the car and I get around people, they be like, shit, you smell like a drag strip. Hell yeah, nigga. Big Hellcat, 707 horsepower, motherfucker. What they talking about? Trying to speed up. Y'all better cut that shit out, nigga. Damn, I don't got no gas in that bit. gas meter. I'm still ain't finna get no gas tonight. I'm gonna wait till the morning. I'm right here by the house. How long I been recording? 13 minutes. I'm gonna try to wait till we get to 15, you feel me? Then that's when I'm gonna cut the video off. But I'm right by the house. So it really not much more that I can do. Boy, it's kind of weird driving this bit with one hand and trying to shift and downshift. I be getting confused sometimes. I remember one time I downshifted while my foot was like down on the gas pedal. That shit was funny as hell. But anywho, y'all, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video, y'all. Like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. There will be a lot more content, you feel me? So stay tuned. Make sure y'all join all my other social medias and stuff too, because my username is gonna be the same on all platforms. Shuns TV. That make it easier for y'all to know who I am, because it's gonna be the same thing on every platform. You feel me? So make sure y'all boys go do that. Hit the post notification bell. Like I said, make sure y'all boys get this video up to between 100 to 200 likes. You feel me? And yeah, I'll see y'all boys next time. No doubt. I'm out. Peace.